Guys, this is the most hyped I have ever been for a Magic Band. You know why? Because it's Toy Story Forky, baby! Now, the price of this limited edition Magic Band is $35, but to me, Forky, you are worth every money. Now, the best part about these limited edition Magic Bands is the boxes, like, oh, look how cute the little guy is. It's literally like opening up the Ark of the Covenant, except my face is not melting off. They only made 3,500 of this little trash man. So if you look really close, you got the some forks and knives on there, and then we're all waiting for it. Bam! There he is. This might be one of the greatest things I've ever purchased at Disney. Now, the main reason you get these limited edition Magic Bands is when you touch into the park with your Magic Band, it makes a sound. So let's see what our fork and savior has to say.
I can try, but I think it'll just go blue.
Okay.
Nope.
That's it? All right, well, there's a special event going on right now at Disney. It's a worldwide sauna here. It's 106 degrees. But yeah, the Magic Band didn't make any sound. What's wrong?
I hate Forky.
Don't you dare hop on that train wagon with Dom.
I've actually never seen the movie, but I still hate.
May the fork be with you. That's all I gotta say, Sam.
I praise our fork and savior, Forky.
Forky's love.
I love Forky. Forky is the love of my life. No.
Forky's for life.
I think Omar just said 4 keys for life instead of Forky for life.
We have Forky's family members. When utensils love each other very much, a spoon and a fork.
They end up in the trash together?
Yeah, oh yeah, they do get dirty.
We see him. Words can't describe the emotions I'm feeling right now.
Oh my God, look at him. Oh, what a cute little chicken nugget. Oh my God.
I love the guy with the burning little passion, but I have a question. If this is Andy's backyard and before Toy Story 4, how does Forky exist and how is he here?
You know it's busy when there's no more Muppet Vision 3D Fast Passes. Time to get the ultimate arm workout.
Thank our fork and savior for this AC.
Winky Dog looks like he's blazing it a little bit over there. Too cool for school.
Axel's complaining about his arm right now, which I find is a bunch of baloney.
I fell off my skateboard.
Silent night, holy night.
My leg!
My God, my hands, my arms!
Axel beat me.
We tried our best. Our arms won't be able to work for the rest of the day.
All right, wait, here's the gift shop.
I swear, I've been in a children's hospital that looks and feels just like this.
Let's listen to his voice, his inner voice.
Who goes there?
Oh.
I am Buzz Lightyear.
They sell this at the Vista Way gift shop also.
Before you're a lifeguard. After you're a lifeguard.
What is that? Time to go to Woody's Lunchbox. We got the brisket sandwich, my personal favorite, except these pickles, because pickles are one of the grossest things in the entire world. Now for the seasonal Pop-Tart. Better not be pickle flavored. Ooh. Oh, it's jelly. Oh, it's a little bouncy ball. There's a blueberry filling.
But I like the blueberry. I like it better than the raspberry, but not as good as the Nutella one. That Pop-Tart was one of the best desserts I've had in a very long time at Disney. We're leaving studios. You thought I had enough sugar? No. It's time to go to Springs to get some more sugar. Yes, we are all 3 wearing the Kids XL shirt, but we're here for our leader, Forky.
It's a Forky petite cake. The cake is sold out, so we're stuck with the...
Our leader, Forky, has failed us. He's sold out today. So I got the next best thing, the Forky Eclair. It's got, what, marshmallow and peanut butter on the inside, but all I wanted was that little cake.
Yes, Forky, we're getting you out of here. The Forky little tech deck. Are we ready to say our prayer to our fork and savior? I am trash.
He looks so sad to be eaten right now. It's like if they took Reese's cereal and put it on the inside. I got some Forky fluff on me.
Almost like you ate him.
The chocolate piece was good. The eclair, not a fan.
They do give you a nice little casket for the Forky recycling. When it's time to go, it's time to go, little buddy. What's going on right now, Bridget?
They're making 3 Forky cakes, like 3 of them.
But they're not allowed to sell them until tomorrow. They're right there. Shook right now.
There's a whole refrigerator full of Forky cakes we just saw.
Oh, the Forky. Look at you. Thank you so much. Now, most guys my age would like a box like this with a Rolex in it. No. I would like a Forky. Little cake in there.
It's like an unboxing.
It's supposed to be released tomorrow.
Night before it's released. No freaking way, I didn't realize that.
No forking way.
Oh, no freaking way, oh yeah.
The moment we've all been waiting for. Look at him. I'm such a nerd. How old am I? Am I 20? I'm 24 years old and I'm freaking over a plastic spork on a cake. Ooh.
Said it's like a chocolate cookies and cream on, oh my, it looks like a mess, but a delicious mess, like our lives. I know you're flicking us off with your middle finger, but worth every money.
Ich rolle nicht, und wenn das Herz auch bricht.
Okay, Bridget, what would you like to say to the world? What is it like working at Disney?
It's fantastic. I get to wear a pretty dress, and I have the beast and my tiara, and even a little wand. Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
It's time to get Ned Stark.